Grand Hotel, good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for my family and my parents.
Certainly. When would you like to check in?
We'd like to check in on the 5th of August and stay for a week.
Let me check our availability. I'm sorry, but we only have availability starting from the 7th of August. Will that work for you?
Yes, that should be fine.
Great. How many rooms will you need?
We'll need 2 rooms. One for my husband, our 2 daughters, and me. The other room is for my parents.
Understood. For your room, we have a family suite with a queen bed and a sofa bed. We can also provide an extra bed for an additional charge if necessary.
I think the sofa bed should be fine. Could you tell me about the activities for children at the hotel?
Of course. We offer a kids club with supervised activities. The kids club is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and includes games, arts and crafts, and outdoor activities.
That sounds perfect for my daughters. Now, for my parents, do you have rooms that are designed for elderly guests with mobility issues?
Yes, we do. Our accessible rooms are equipped with walk-in showers, handrails in the bathroom, and wider doorways. We also have elevators and ramps throughout the hotel for easy access.
Excellent. Could you tell me if breakfast is included in the room rate?
Breakfast is not included in the room rate, but we offer a breakfast buffet for $15 per adult and $8 for children under 10. The children's breakfast includes a healthier menu with various options.
Great. Does the hotel have a pool?
Yes, we have a pool with a poolside bar. Towels are provided at the pool area.
And what about room service? What are the hours?
Room service is available from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily.
Do the rooms have satellite TV channels?
Yes, all our rooms come with a selection of satellite TV channels.
Wonderful. What about parking? We'll be coming by car.
We have secure parking available for an additional fee. Would you like to reserve a parking spot?
Yes, please.
Excellent. Let me summarize your reservation. A family suite with a queen bed and a sofa bed, and an accessible room for your parents, starting from the 7th of August for a week. With the kids club, breakfast buffet, pool access, room service, satellite TV, and a parking spot.
Yes, that's correct.
The total cost for the stay, without taxes, it's $1,950. Including taxes, is $2,100. We accept all major credit cards and offer a 10% discount for advance payment.
That sounds good. I'll take the 10% discount and pay in advance.
Wonderful. I'll process your payment now. Can I have your credit card details, please?
Sure, it's a Visa card. The number is 12345678. 90123456, expiration date August 25th, and the security code is 123.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call.
Thank you very much for your help. I do have a few more questions.
Of course, go ahead.
You mentioned the kids club. Do you have any details on what specific activities are included?
Yes, the Kids Club offers a variety of activities including painting, treasure hunts, storytelling, and group games. It's designed to keep children engaged and entertained throughout the day.
That sounds great. And are there any evening activities or entertainment options for families?
We do have family movie nights and live music in the evenings. We also offer themed dinners with activities for the kids.
Wonderful. One last thing. Is Wi-Fi included in the room rate?
Yes, complimentary Wi-Fi is included in all rooms and public areas of the hotel.
Perfect. Thank you so much for all the information.
You're very welcome. We look forward to welcoming you and your family in August.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.